Hello, you are highly welcome to a special topic today. If this is your first time of joining me in this 2026, may I say Happy New Year. You know, since 2026, I have not been developing videos as usual because I just returned from my break. And I came back with powerful organic plants that I brought all the way from my village. These plants are superb for poultry health, livestock health. I brought all these plants all the way from the eastern part of this country. And these plants are old, highly medicinal and special plants for poultry and livestock, including human organic remedy. This is called Hospital is Too Far. This is the best organic remedy every poultry farmer must know. For small-scale poultry and backyard poultry farmers, having access to veterinary or vet clinic can be highly limited and very expensive for them, or slow to get vet attention or vet services because of their level of operation. This particular plant you are seeing here, this is where natural organic poultry farming is very important, and organic remedy come in handy for such poultry farmers on this low scale. One of the most powerful and accessible solution is plant leaf juice called Hospital is Too Far. Do you know why it is called Hospital is Too Far? Because this plant has helped many people to recover their health, build up their blood system, and at the same time get back to their feet. This plant you are seeing here, it serves humans and it serves animals, both livestock, every animal. If you go to the bush animals eat this plant as if they are eating their natural food. This is natural food for all animals. This remedy not only reduces reliance on antibiotics, but also enhances growth, immunity, and overall productivity of your poultry, birds, and livestock animals. In this particular video, I will guide you on how to make use of this. You can see because of the long journey I made, and at the time I got this, I was not ready to come back. So I have to preserve it. You can see it is dried here. In this video, I will show you sample of how it is when dried and when it is still fresh, so that you'll be able to decipher when you see this plant. This plant has superb physical and natural properties that you should know, and how you are going to apply it in your poultry and livestock farming. Relax and watch this video till the end. Don't skip any of the tracks so that you get the best from it. This plant is called blood leaf. This plant is called Hospital is Too Far. It is very important in building up blood and good health system for human and livestock. If this plant is fresh, you squeeze out the juice, wash it thoroughly, squeeze out the juice, pour it in a very clean cup. Then you see the color of this plant will be purely red like blood. It will be red in this color. This is the color you see. Don't worry, we are going to practicalize it. You see how it is. You see that this plant is greenish in color, but when you squeeze out the juice, it will be very reddish in color, like this color you are seeing here. This is the color you are going to see. And when you open one tin of milk, pour it inside the liquid juice of this particular plant, it will turn purple immediately. It will change the color immediately. What you'll be seeing is this color. It will not be red any longer. It to change to purple immediately, to tell you that this plant is not ordinary plant. And if you are lacking blood as a human being, your good doctor will also always refer you to go and use blood leaf. Squeeze blood leaf and drink the juice for 2 or 3 days. Your blood will build up instantly. But make sure you get the right leaf so that you not make mistake. I've given you features that will help you to know the right plant. It is greenish in color. When you wash it thoroughly and squeeze out the juice will turn red immediately. And inside that same cup, that white glass cup, open 1 tin of milk and pour inside that reddish color. It will turn to purple immediately, to change the color instantly. And when you drink it, in 2-3 days, your blood will build up immediately, instantly. Then, if you are a livestock farmer and you want healthy poultry birds, this plant can help you also. It serves both when it is fresh and when it is dried. You can see I dried this so that I will preserve it to come back with it. Some people call it blood leaf, some call it hospital is too far, but the name is hospital is too far. I'll also show you the one we call blood leaf after this video. That particular video is loading. Make sure you watch all these videos. They are very powerful organic plant, natural. They are around your home. You may even know them, but most of the times you don't know their value. So this video will help you to open your eyes so that you understand what I'm talking about. I'll give you 12 health and nutritional benefits of this plant in poultry and livestock. 1, it boosts immunity. It strengthens the best immunity system to fight off infections naturally. It improves digestive health of your poultry and livestock animals. It aids in proper digestion and nutrient absorption. It reduces mortality. If you can use this plant like this size, this quantity, if you have up to 200 birds upwards, use this plant juice to welcome your day-old chicks into your farm. It will reduce the mortality. It helps you prevent common poultry diseases and reduce health issues in your poultry. And at the same time, energizes your day-old chicks to get accustomed with their new environment. It enhances growth rate fast. It supports faster weight gain in broilers and better development in layers. It is very rich in vitamins and minerals. It supplies essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium and iron and magnesium and other important minerals and vitamins necessary for the optimal growth and development of your poultry and livestock animals. It is a natural detoxifier because it cleanses the liver and kidneys of all toxins that affect growth. It reduces stress. It minimizes stress effects from heat, overheating, or transport stress. It promotes egg production in layers. It improves laying frequency and egg quality in layers and egg capacity and at the same time egg size naturally. It is anti-parasitic. It has anti-parasitic effect that helps control internal and external parasites. Antioxidant properties is superb in this. Protect cells from oxidative damage, improving the overall health system of your poultry and livestock animals. It strengthens the bones. The minerals like calcium and phosphorus support skeletal development in your poultry and livestock animals. It improves feather quality. It leads to shiny, strong feathers and better plumage of your poultry, most especially your broilers. If you see the color of your broilers throughout the operation, if you are using this periodically, it's going to be purely white, most especially if you keep adequate biosecurity measures. What are the dosage and how to administer for different stages of birds? Chicks 0 to 6 weeks, 5 to 10 ml of this leaf juice per bird daily, mixed with drinking water. You get very good results. can be given 2 to 3 times in a week to boost immunity. For growers, 6 to 12 weeks, 10 to 20 meals per daily, and can be administered 3 to 4 times in a week for growth and support, and at the same time for disease prevention. Now, for our breeders and layers, this plant, 20 to 30 meal per bed, 2 to 3 times per week. It helps improve egg quality, production, and reproductive system. Mostly for breeders, those that are into fertile egg production that hatches day old chicks. Then, livestock like goats, sheep, pigs, rabbits, and others, 50 to 100 meal per animal daily, depending on the size of that animal. Support overall health and growth of your animals. What are the 10 medicinal value of this plant? See it in your poultry. Here, if you are into livestock, you are making use of the juice alone. What I'm holding here is purely dried. I will tell you how you are going to make use of this dry leaf for your poultry. 1, antibacterial. It fights harmful bacteria naturally. Antiviral, reduces viral infections in birds. Antifungal, it controls fungal infections in gut and feathers. Anti-inflammatory, it reduces swelling and inflammations in tissues of your poultry and livestock animals. Antiparasitic, it destroys internal worms and external parasites. So instead of deworming your birds, make use of this plant and you get the best result. Hepatoprotective, it protects and supports liver function. Respiratory support, if your birds are having CROD, it helps to manage cough, cold, and respiratory distress. Immune booster, stimulates production of antibodies. Digestive health, it enhances the gut health and nutrient absorption in your poultry, therefore helping them to maximize the potentials of the feed you are giving to them. Energy booster, it provides natural compound that improve activity and production. How do you prepare this leaf juice for your poultry birds? This particular one is purely dried. You can squeeze this. You can squeeze it into powder format. Now let me show you. You can squeeze it into powder format. You can see. Watch. Are you seeing it? You can gather 200 grams of it. As it is dried, the grammage will reduce because the weight will be less. Squeeze into this format and mix it with the feed and give to your poultry birds. Mix it with their feed, give it to them. Very good result also. Or as it is dried, pour it inside a very clean pot as it is like this for dried one. Pour it into a very neat pot. Add 2 liters of clean water. Boil it extensively for up to 30 minutes. You are going to get the pure red color of this particular plant. I'm going to practicalize it. I'm going to show you how to do it. You see the result also. Now, as it is dried, after boiling it, allow it to cool. Sieve the water and keep the water alone. Now, use neat water, clean water, and add and serve to your poultry birds. 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the dosage I've given you above. I've given you the dosages, please. Or you crush this properly or grind it with your grinding machine, add to their feed, or you grind it and pour inside a very clean kettle. Pour 2 liters of water and boil it very well. Extract the juice after getting cold. Add the dosage of water I've given you also. Use it and serve to your poultry birds. Is there anything you did not understand here? Please ask me on the comment section. Don't send the question to my WhatsApp group, please. WhatsApp group is not for question. It's for only purely business. How much do you sell this? If you get the price. Some people, when you tell them 20K, 50K, they don't understand it. I don't need such people in my comment section. Go back to your primary school and learn first before you come back and start throwing questions on me. Please, I don't have enough time. I produce these videos, I develop these videos, I edit these videos, and I post it also. And I don't post 1 or 2 videos in a day. I post multiples of videos. The same time all of us have, say 24 hours in a day is what I have. If I use it to teach you what 20K means, how many people will I teach in a day? And how many videos will I be able to produce for others also? If you don't know all this 20K, 5K, 2K, go back to your mother and start learning how to count A, B, C, D. Please. On my comment section, ask your questions. On my WhatsApp, purely business, please. Don't ask me questions. I will not answer you I will not answer you the way you will like it. My WhatsApp group or my WhatsApp platform, my WhatsApp number that I will keep on this particular video is just for business sake alone. Any too much questions there, I will not entertain it, and the way I will answer you will not like it. You will say, is it the same man I see in front of this camera? The way I will answer you, you will not even like it at all. So it's better you don't ask me such questions here. Ask me business questions, we'll go into business, that's all. This is hospital is too far. Another video is loading. That is, we call it blood leaf juice in poultry farming. It's loading in the next video. I will show you the leaf also. This is purely dried. I will show you the fresh of this particular leaf. You see it, how it looks like. And if you want to keep it, preserve it for longer period of time, this is how you are going to preserve it. Don't sun dry it. This is purely air dry. That's why it still maintain the greenish color. Not sun dry, please. If you sun dry it, most of the chemical component will be lost through the sun drying. Air dry it, keep it in a very clean house, inside a room. It will dry and it will preserve it. It will not damage. I can use this as long as and as many times I want because it is safe for use. Thank you. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers who are intelligent enough to understand our topic, and join our channel membership. Use your bank card and join others. Many of them are there. In the next video, I'm going to mention some of their names. They are wonderful people. They are those that are supporting this channel, not those that will come and ask me too many questions in my WhatsApp groups and at the same time abuse me for not telling them what 20K, 10K, 5K, which is a global slant everybody should know for monetary terms or for business terms. You start asking what is 20K? What is 20K naira? Please, let's be guided. Thank you. Till the next video is uploaded. Our Eco Bio Booster is still available. This plant is also one of the plants that is used to produce our Eco Bio Booster. Superb. See, wonderful products. Organic products that can help you to rear your poultry birds with zero vet clinic, zero vet consultant, and superb results. See it. 55K. If you don't know what 55K means, go back to your primary school and learn what 55K naira means. 55K for 5 liters. This is our feed booster. 15K for 1 pack like this. This is our cure for coccidiosis. For all stages of coccidiosis, this is 25K for 250 ml. Wonderful products, supernatural products, all organic. No synthetic in them. Smart farmers are using it to get better results. See it. You want it? Send me a message on my WhatsApp group. The number is on the screen. Please. Only the message. The price is already known. 25K for 250 ml. Coccidiosis. All stages of coccidiosis. To wipe them off in just 3 days. Want to boost their feed to get superb results. 15K for this. 55K for this. All are our products made by us, for us, and for all the farmers. Thank you. Bye.